Hi students, so today we are going to see laws of exponents for real numbers. So first of all we are going to see about exponent. So what do you mean by exponent? If you consider a number a power n, we say that if this a and n are natural numbers, what do you mean by natural numbers? Natural numbers, it starts from 1, 2, 3 and so on. I hope you remember. So if we have a and n to be natural numbers and this base natural numbers in a power n, this base we call that to be as, this a we call that to be as base and n we call that to be as exponent. For example 5 square. So 5 is called as base whereas 2 is called as exponent. Okay. So exponent na enna? So it will be of the form a power n. So a ndrathu base, n ndrathu exponent. So next we are going to see about the laws of exponents. There are 4 laws of exponent. The first law is a power m into a power n equal to a power m plus n. The second law, a power m the whole power n equal to a power mn. Now the third law, a power m divided by a power n equal to a power m minus n. And the fourth one, a power m into b power m is equal to ab the whole power m. ab the whole power m. Okay, if the base is same and we have multiplication sign, then we can add the powers. And the next one is a power m the whole power n. We can write it as m into n, that is a power mn. Third one is division part, a power m divided by a power n equal to a power m minus n. Fourth one, a power m dot b power m. If we have same powers, different bases, we can multiply the bases with the same power, ab the whole power m. Going towards exercise 1.6. So we are going to see exercise 1.6. First question, find, first one, 64 to the power 1 by 2. 64 to the power 1 by 2. So 64, how can we write 64? 64 as 8 square. So 8 square the whole power 1 by 2. Now 2 and 2 gets cancelled. So we have 8. So the answer is 8. Second question, 32 to the power 1 by 5. So 32 to the power 1 by 5. So 32 we can write it as 2 power 5, isn't it? Just check. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32. So 2 power 5 the whole power 1 by 5. So 5 and 5 gets cancelled. So the answer is 2. Next, third subdivision. 125 the whole power 1 by 3. 125. So how can I write 125? We can write 125 as 5 cube the whole power 1 by 3. Just check it. 5 into 5 into 5. 5 5s are 25. 25 into 5 gives us 125. So 125 we can write it as 5 cube the whole power 1 by 3. So 3 gets cancelled. So the answer is 5. Second question, find, first subdivision, 9 power 3 by 2. So 9 power 3 by 2 oda value find out பண்ணும். So 9 எப்படி எழுதலாம்? 9 is equal to, we can write 9 as 3 square. So 3 square the whole power 3 by 2. So what happens? 2 and 2 gets cancelled. So remaining 3 power 3. What is 3 cube? 3 into 3 into 3. So 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. So the answer is 27. Next, second subdivision, 32 to the power 2 by 5. So 32. So 32 already we had discussed. How can I write 32? 32 as 2 power 5. Just check it. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32. So 2 power 5 the whole power 2 divided by 5. So 5 and 5 gets cancelled. We have 2 square. So what is 2 square? 2 square is 4. Now moving towards this third subdivision. Third subdivision, 16 to the power 3 by 4. So 16. So some easy shortcut, just look the denominator, look down the fraction, it is 4. So something to the power 4. We can try with something to the power 4. I am not surely telling, we can try. So let us try with 2 power 4. So 2 power 4 in the sense that 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. Yes, of course. So we can write it as 2 power 4 the whole power 3 divided by 4. So 4 and 4 gets cancelled. We have 2 cube. So what is 2 cube? 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So the answer is 8. Now fourth subdivision, 125 to the power minus 1 by 3. So 125, we can write 125 as 5 cube, isn't it? Look the denominator, it is 3. So it will be, so the number will be something to the power 3. So let us choose 5 tables because it is 125, it ends with 5. So let us choose 5 cube. So what is 5 cube? 5 into 5 into 5. 5 5s are 25, 25 into 5, 125. So we can write it as 5 cube to the power minus 1 by 3. So this is equal to, so now this 3 and 3 gets cancelled. We get 5 to the power minus 1. So we get 5 power minus 1. So we get 5 power minus 1. So this is equal to 1 divided by 5. So the answer is 1 by 5. Next, sum number 3. Simplify. Simplify. First subdivision, 2 to the power 2 by 3 into 2 to the power 1 by 5. 2 to the power 2 by 3 into 2 to the power 1 by 5. So as we already discussed, if the base is same, we can add the power, that is a power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. So the same concept, the base is same, so we can add the power. So 2 to the power 2 by 3 plus 1 by 5. Now we have to simplify 2 by 3 plus 1 by 5. So 2 by 3 plus 1 by 5. Let us cross multiply. We get 5 2s are 10 plus 3 divided by 5 3s are 15. So the answer is 13 divided by 15. So this is equal to 2 to the power 13 divided by 15 is the answer. Is it clear? Base same irukku, so power add pandrom, in the fraction simplify pandrom. Just cross multiply பண்ணி simplify பண்றோம். So 13 by 20, 13 divided by 15 கிடைக்குது. So the answer is 2 to the power 13 divided by 15. Next, second subdivision. Second subdivision, 1 divided by 3 cube the whole power 7. So this means the whole power 7, it is, the 7 is for, the power 7 is for both numerator and as well as for denominator. Okay, so that means 1 power 7 divided by 3 cube the whole power 7. So 1 power 7 gives us 1 divided by 3 to the power 3 into 7. A power m the whole power n is equal to a power mn. So 3 7s are 21. So the answer is 1 divided by 3 to the power 21. Either we can stop with this step, or if you want you can also proceed 3 to the power minus 21. Okay. The next question. Third subdivision, 11 to the power 1 by 2 divided by 11 to the power 1 by 4. So this is equal to 11 to the power 1 by 2, 11 to the power 1 by 4. When it comes to the numerator, it becomes 11 to the power minus 1 by 4. So this implies if the base is same, we can add the power. So here we get 11 to the power 1 by 2 minus 11 to the power 1 by 4. 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4. So 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4. So this is equal to 11 to the power. Solve 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4. So this implies when we just cross multiply or put LCM, we get 4 minus 2 divided by 8. So this is equal to 2 by 8. When we on simplifying, we get 1 divided by 4. So 11 power 1 by 4. So this is the answer. Next, fourth subdivision. 7 to the power 1 by 2 into 8 to the power 1 by 2. So here the base is different but the powers are same. So according to the laws of exponent, if we have a power m into b power m is equal to ab the whole power m, isn't it? Ab the whole power m. So the same concept, a power m dot b power m is equal to ab, that is 7 into 8 the whole power 1 by 2. So 7 8s are 56. So 56 to the power 1 by 2 is the answer.